Lake Purdy for trout.
Daddy! Come to the fishing pool! It's too fast. Daddy! What?
Pretty big one. Oh, three pounder. Lột cổ vô. Pull it. Ah. Oh, no, 3-4 pounder.
Daddy! Phil! Stick on me.
Nó chỉ té rồi nó dày.
Second fish.
Lucy.
What can we do?
No, I don't know how to do it.
Joe, what's your Joe?
He dragged him to that pool. It's too big. It's gigantic. Jerry, look. Over here. Over here. Oh. I can see it already now. Hey, hold up. What? Whoa, faster. What?
Cho lột chứ. Nó lột tiếng.
Don't touch. Move. I see this. That meal much.
Let's step on it.
I know, I'm just throwing it. Keep coming.
What? Oh shit. Tô, Jim, tô.
Coming.
Tô.
No, I'll do it. I do it. Stay with Daddy, look. Daddy caught one. I can't do it. Look at this. I can't do it. Oh, yeah, Jerry. Huh? That is one big fish.
You fish.
I can't. I'm holding this. I'm holding this camera.
Rồi phải để cái gì thì cái này có hai cái sự đỡ kia. Cô trời đổ đi bắp đó.
There, you got a bite. Yay, we got more. Yay, we got more fish. No. What? Hey.
3 fish at the same time.
Daddy? It's coming. Jerry, no!
Anh ơi, nó bay cua này to.
Hey, my hand. I am running my hand.
Too cool. I want fish. Wow.
What?
Cô bỏ em có chẳng bỏ bây giờ cô ta đỏ. Bỏ chưa? Biết không? Chưa phải nói chưa tí được cô chưa. Ôi sao cô ta đỏ thế à?
I'm not holding that with you. I'm taking.
Ra bay cua to rồi.
Whoa! Now we have 4 fish. We need 7 more. What am I supposed to do? Whoa, I don't want to fall.
Turn off.
How? This one?
See the red button?
This one?
No. Yeah.